Yes, so mi fambo una kushe. Today I teach you how to make fine untu. These are the ingredients. You see cornmeal, you see all the pepper, yabas, everything. Granuts, you get everything. You see Not forget ginger. Oh. First we get for patch the cornmeal. Some of una need patch. Una just put the empty cornmeal inside and I make some una unto the need sweet one. Now get one flavor inside it. If you follow this step here, I fine for you. If you not follow around, God continue for it you pour unto. This now the chicken cut blend them now the food processor fine one. Me I the add meat inside. I blend all the other thing them blend. Then I add me granite inside now. I add me blend in there. Put black pepper inside there, Maggi, season there, any kind of season we get fine as long as it's sweet no more. Mix all thing, mix some fine. Add more seasoning according to the taste where you want. Mix until now about mixing. If you not mix, you need to get the right texture. Mix some. May all the season they go inside before we put the cornmeal. You see I don't thick. We not put the cornmeal later. We can put that now. You see how the patch cornmeal there? Now so bang fine. That need help keep the untu together. Add that fine taste inside there. Put some inside. Go to mix some according to the way how thick you want them. Not put too much. Go to put a mix. Una see See how the texture of fine, see how the face of fine. Na so bang, na so you want you unto. You see, na so you want some. So me I the sample one first. I the boil one, I sample for see how it taste. If it tastes fine, then I continue. I steam and all. If it not taste fine, I go back. I edit them, season are fine. Then I taste that again. I repeat them until it's perfect. Then I the boil I put hot in the pot. I steam are fine. And me I the steam. I tell the water all dry under and they get more taste. Look at that. If you try this way, you untu get for sweet, say left. Una try this way, look. This is what you call untu. Not to the other fiki untu there. Bye.